I need to do a shout out to the Energy Conservatory, who's apparently been watching some of my videos and thought I need to upgrade my tool. I am old school and I use what works, and the DG700 has worked for many years for me, and they've been following this whole video. In fact, they've been a little helpful. We have our custom ring number 5, and our new DG1000 is telling me we have 9.7, 9.8 pascals at 25 for total duct leakage. What does that mean? Well, you're not going to find it in a chart. You're going to need the math. And thanks to Steve at the Energy Conservatory, he has given me the math for it. And let's just call it a 10 pascals. Is roughly about a 0.65 CFMs of total leakage. So yes, you can make an airtight system. This is rough-in construction. We will retest once the furnace is in place.